In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can increase the volume of your audio track in Filmora. So to achieve this, we can do this by two ways, right? So here on the track, you want to hover where you see this little line until you see the hand. Click on your mouse, hold it down, and you can drag it and make the adjustment. Now, it may hard to pinpoint, like say you want it to go 5 decibels up. It may hard using the mouse when you're dragging it. So the other option is you select on the track and then you're going to select audio, right? And then here you can enter the decibel that you want the track to go. Say if I enter 5 and enter, then it will adjust the track accordingly. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.